Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle with Canon FS 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.62 lens plus 2 pieces SanDisk 32GB memory cards plus accessory kit. This camera bundle kit comes complete with all manufacturer-supplied accessories and includes the EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera from Canon has a 24.1 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor. It has a 3-inch 920K LCD monitor with full HD 1080/30p video recording capabilities. It offers sharp details, accurate colors and low-noise imaging in both bright and low-light shooting situations. The Rebel T7 can continuously shoot up to 3 frames per second. Canon 18 to 55mm 2 lens, a standard zoom compatible with Canon APS-C format cameras. It features a focal length range of 18 to 55mm, which is equivalent to 29 to 88mm in the 35mm format. Package comes with 2 SanDisk 32GB SDHC memory cards, plus deluxe padded camera case, plus flashlight, plus 3 pieces filter kit, plus extra battery pack, plus AC/DC car and home charger, plus high-speed USB card reader, plus 50-inch camera tripod. 0.43 into auxiliary wide-angle lens, it conveniently mounts to the front of your fixed or zoom lens, and allows you to capture a wider field of view. 2.2x auxiliary telephoto lens, brings you twice as close to the action. Perfect for long-distance photo situations such as sporting events. Click the link in the description for more details.